Thank you for joining us for this instructional video on how to use the TENS Care Perfect Mama Plus. The Perfect Mama Plus is a maternity TENS machine that provides natural, safe and effective pain relief that you control yourself. You can use the Perfect Mama Plus during labour, in the lead up to and after labour, and also to encourage and maintain milk production through specially designed breast pads. One in 8 use a maternity TENS for labour, and TENS Care have developed and sold millions of clinically proven and award-winning maternity TENS over the last 25 years. Loved by mothers around the world, TENS Care devices are NHS and midwife approved, side effect free and allow you to stay in control of your own pain relief. TENS works by sending small electrical pulses into the skin through adhesive electrode pads. These pulses are similar to those found naturally in the body, and when placed correctly they instantly relieve pain by blocking the pain gate, which stops pain signals to the brain, as well as providing endorphin release to increase pain tolerance. Unlike traditional pharmaceutical pain relief, TENS does not cause any drowsiness or foggy-headed feelings, and instead delivers powerful pain relief while allowing you to maintain mobile and in the moment. To use, simply insert the batteries, connect the leads to the device, and place the pads on your back as shown in the user manual. You may need help from your birth partner. The user manual features placement for traditional and caesarean birth. Once the pads are applied, you can switch on the device and use the up and down arrows to adjust the intensity to your preference. As birth progresses, you can use the program button to work through the 3 different programs for each stage of birth, and make use of the boost button for some extra relief through your contractions. Use the timer button to track your total time in labour, and the lock button on the top to prevent accidental button pushes. All 3 programs have multiple intensity levels that you control using the up and down buttons in your device. Program A should be used as soon as the first signs of labour start. This is the most gentle program and is also the one you will use with your breast pads to help lactation. Program B should be used when your contractions become more frequent and intense. This program is designed to block heightened pain. Program C is the strongest program and can be used if A and B are not providing enough relief. When you are told to start pushing, switch back to Program A. The boost button provides extra power for heightened pain relief during contractions. In Programs A and B, it can be used by pressing once to boost, then pressing again to return to normal intensity once the contraction is over. When you do this, the Perfect Mama Plus measures the time in between your contractions and the duration of your contractions. In Program C, the boost button is held down to cause a ramp, meaning the intensity builds up and up until you release the button. This provides excellent relief from intense pain to get you through even the worst contractions. You can use your maternity TENS for back pain in the last 3 weeks leading up to labour, as well as after giving birth for aches and pains relating to pregnancy and birth, and to ease post-operative pain following caesarean, perineal tear or episiotomy. Always test your maternity TENS when you first receive it. Make sure the pads are the right way round and stuck down firmly. Our devices have open circuit detection technology, meaning if the pads are not stuck down properly, the machine will cut power. This is to ensure there is no uncomfortable sensations caused by lifting or unstuck pads. Keep your pads in their airtight storage bag and order extra pads for the big day if you've been using them prior to the birth or feel they are losing their stick. Take some spare batteries to the hospital just in case. We wish you the best of luck with your maternity journey and thank you for choosing TENS Care to assist you along the way. If you have any questions, please reach out to our friendly customer service team who are on hand and happy to help.